Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will enter boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, bootloader locks, barcodes, and yeah. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.